Hello everyone, welcome again to the second part of the math solution of week 1. So let's begin our discussion. So starting from the 7th question, it is given that in a zoo there are 6 Bengal white tigers and 8 Bengal royal tigers, out of which 5 are males and 10 are either Bengal royal tiger or males. So we have to find the number of white female tiger. So just write down white and royal, and in between those there will be some male, there will be some female, male and female. Let us suppose the number of white male tiger is A, similarly B and C and D. It is given that A plus C is equal to 5 and C plus D plus A is equal to 10, and the total number is 14. 8 plus 6. So but C plus D is given as 8, so A will be equal to 2. So we have to find the number of female Bengal white tigers, so it will be equal to 4. Moving to the next question. So basically this is some family tree, so based on this we have to answer 3 questions, I think. So Mahesh has 4 sons, Shubh, Ravi, Mahendra and Rajat. Shubh has 2 sons, Yashub and 𝗟𝗏𝗃𝗏. Ravi has 2 sons named Rathi and Rakesh. This family tree is shown in the figure below. Let's define two lessons R and S on the set M, which is the collection of all family members as follows. Relation are A and B. A and B are cousins. Okay, so if A is cousin of B, then B will be cousin of A. Okay, so like this is symmetric. Okay, so it can go in both direction, but the relation S is unidirectional. Okay, so A is son of B, so B will be at hierarchy and A will be at lower. A will be in the lower hierarchy. So let's move to the question number 8. So it is asking about which of the following are true. So it is stating that R is an equivalence relation. Basically, it is stating that R is equivalent. So for equivalence relation, it must satisfy reflexivity, transitivity, and symmetry. So for reflexive, let us suppose replace B with A. Okay, so A and A cannot be cousin because A is the single person itself. So that's why it does not satisfy the reflexivity uh, reflexivity property of the equivalence relation. So that's why this option is incorrect. Moving to the second option, Rathi and 𝗟𝗏𝗃 belongs to R. Okay, so Rathi here and 𝗟𝗏𝗃. So basically these both are cousins, so that's why this is correct. The third option is S is an equivalence relation. Basically S is unidirectional, so it cannot be symmetric, so this option will be ruled out. Mahesh and Rajat belong to S. Okay, so Mahesh and Rajat. So basically Rajat should be ahead of Mahesh. Okay, because here it is given that A is son of B. So Mahesh is not son of Rajat. Okay, Mahesh is not son of Rajat. Rajat is son of Mahesh. So that's why this is incorrect. Yashub and Rathi should belong to S. Rathi and Yashub should belong to S. Basically, these guys are cousins. I think Yashub, Rathi, 𝗟𝗏𝗃 and Yashub, Rathi, Rathi, Yashub. Okay, Yashub, Rathi, Rathi, Yashub. These are cousins, not the relation of father and son. So that's why this is incorrect. S is symmetric relation. Basically, it is unidirectional. So this is not a symmetric. Moving to the ninth question, it is asking about M is the cardinality of the set R, N is the cardinality of set S. Find the value of M plus N. Okay, so let's erase. So let's write down the all possible value of R. So let us suppose this is G, this is B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so basically these are cousins. So first it will be AC and AD. Okay, similarly BC, BD, then CA, CB and DA and DB. So the cardinality is 8 for relation R, and for the A's, so first we will go from here to here, then here, then here, then here. So 4 comes from here, and similarly 4 comes from here. So the cardinality of set S will be 8, and the cardinality of set R is a relation, basically what you say, is also 8. So the value of m plus n will be equal to 16. Moving to the last questions. In this question, the function given as a comma b, a is son of b. Okay, and it is coming from p comma q, where p and q are subset of m. Basically m is the collection of all family members, so this is subset. P and q are subset of m, so we have to choose the correct option. So basically p unidirectional, q is a function where p is Ysubh, Navratna, Rathi, Rakesh, Mahesh, q is Subh, Ravi, Mahinder, Rajat. Okay, so it is going like this. Okay, so where a is son of b, basically Ysubh should be son of Subh, like that. Okay, so in a function, there's is like this can happen. Okay, but this cannot happen. Okay, so now moving to the first term, Ysubh, Navratna, Rathi, Rakesh, Mahesh. So Ysubh, Navratna, this is Subh. Okay, so Ysubh and Navratna, Ysubh and Navratna will match to Rathi. Okay, so there is no any option which can match these guys, Ysubh and Navratna, because Ysubh is the son of Subh, Navratna is the son of Subh. So the domain should be satisfied with at least one codomain, not at least, it should be satisfied with the codomain. So that's why this cannot be function. The second option is Ysubh, Navratna, Rathi, Rakesh. Okay, then Subh. So Ysubh and Navratna, basically these two guys are matching with one. So basically this can happen, but Rathi will match to Ravi. Okay, so Rathi will match to Ravi, Ysubh will match to Subh, Navratna will match to Subh, but Rakesh, once again, Rakesh. Okay, Rakesh will match with Ravi. Rakesh will match with Ravi. Okay, Ysubh will match with Subh, Navratna will match with Subh, Rathi will match with. Let us try to understand once again. So Ysubh and Navratna will match to Subh, Rathi and Rakesh will match to Ravi. Ysubh and Navratna match to Subh, Rathi and Rakesh will match to Ravi. Okay, then it is stating that this is 1-1. Okay, so this is not 1-1. Like in 1-1 case, one identity should match with the other. That means unique identity. But here Ysubh and Navratna is matched to Subh, so that's why this is not 1-1. The third option says P to Q is a function where P is Ysubh, Navratna, Rathi, Rakesh, and Subh and Ravi. Subh and Ravi, F is onto. That's correct, because codomain is equal to range. So this option is correct. The last option is P to Q is a function where Ysubh and Rathi, Q is Subh and Ravi, F is bijective. Okay, 𝗟𝗏𝗃 and Rathi are like cousins, and 𝗟𝗏 is matched with 𝗟𝗏, will match with Ravi. Okay, so that's why this is bijective, means this is 1 1 plus on 2. Okay, so that's why this option is correct. Thank you.